Okay, here is a brand new Lennox Merit central air conditioning unit. Currently not running. This unit replaced a 2009 ICP unit I filmed before. This unit is a 3-ton from 2024, I think. Nice. And the old ICP, I think, was a 5-ton unit, so I think they downgraded in tonnage for this unit. So that's interesting. And I believe it has a Copeland scroll compressor. But yeah. And then here's a refrigerator component which is running. This unit I think is also brand new. It's a Trenton refrigerator unit. It's from 2024. Also has a Copeland scroll compressor. But yeah, these two units are located at a Hobby Lobby near my town. I filmed it before. But yeah, just thought I'd get a quick video of these two units. Anyways, thanks for watching.